This is just a quick tutorial to get you acclimated to the course website. So I'll just walk you through all of the sections and show you where you can find everything that you'll need this semester. If we start at the weekly course announcements and emails section, this is where I will post all of the emails that I send out to the class every Monday. Each Monday you will get an email at the email address that you gave me, and it will just remind you what's due that particular week and give you any other necessary information. I will also post those emails right here. Right now there's nothing posted because I haven't sent out an email yet, but once I do in January, that will be posted here, and you'll have the previous week's emails listed also in case you ever need to refer back to those. Next, we have my contact information. You can contact me anytime via email, phone, or Skype. Here's my Skype username if you'd like to invite me to connect with you. If you contact me via phone, Skype, or email between the hours of Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, I should be able to respond fairly quickly. If I'm going to be out of town or out of the office, I will usually let you know via email ahead of time. My office hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, but you do need to make an appointment if you want to see me. So just contact me ahead of time to see when you can get in, and I'd be more than happy to meet with you face to face. You also may need my fax number at some point throughout the semester, especially possibly to turn in your last 2 pages of your syllabus, so you can always fax those to me if necessary, and my fax number is right here. Next, you'll see a map, and that includes all of the places that you are interning this semester. Just since it's an online class and we don't actually get to meet face to face, it's just kind of nice to see where everyone else is interning. If you click on any of the little icons, you can see the specific place that the student is interning and the location. Moving towards the right, this section is probably the most important section of the website. You'll need to refer to this section every week to get your assignments, assignment descriptions, and examples. If we look at January, your first assignment is due on January 24th. That's a Thursday. Your assignments are due each week on every Thursday during the semester. You'll click on the link for the corresponding week, and that will give you all of the assignments that are due, as well as any directions and any slidcasts that you need to watch or any examples that might be helpful. So please read this web page in its entirety each week, and all of the links that are supplied as well, so you'll know how to do your assignments and you'll be able to do them accurately. Some of the assignments do require you to watch a video voice thread. For example, your first assignment in March requires you to watch a resume voice thread, and you will just click here to get that voice thread. You will need to log in with your KU online ID and password, but you'll watch that voice thread and respond to some questions that I post within the voice thread, and that is an assignment that's explained on your syllabus as well as on this webpage. In addition, on each of these web pages, you'll notice the bottom has punctuation and etiquette tips. I do grade on grammar and punctuation as well as content, so if you have difficulties with any of these common punctuation usages, I would definitely check out these documents. And then the tips on etiquette just give you general information on how to communicate effectively and professionally via the internet. Next, you can always access the syllabus by clicking this button. You can always access this web tutorial by clicking this button. Your student blogs section will be really important. This is where you will post your bi-weekly blogs. You'll actually have a blog due the first week, the second week, and then every other week throughout the semester. And you will click on the student blogs button. You will need to log in with your KU online ID and password. So this will be the same username and password that you use to log into your KU email. That will take you to a group that looks like this, the PRE 575 Spring 2013 blog portal. And your blog will look something like this. Your blog will actually have your name listed here, and each week you will click on your particular blog This is an example of what your first introductory blog will look like, and then each blog that follows, you're going to add a comment, type the answer to your question for that week that you choose from the question pool that's listed on the course website for each corresponding week, and you will type that content and then hit submit, and then your blog will be, or all of your blog posts will be listed in one running blog. So you can see examples throughout the entire semester here. And then your blogs will be directly under this one once you create those. And we'll go ahead and go back to the course website now. You can also access Blackboard through the course website. The only way that I use Blackboard is to post your grades. You will not go to Blackboard for anything else. Everything that you will need for the class is on this website. And then finally, you can click here to send me a quick Skype message if you would like. These buttons down here are now obsolete. Unfortunately, they have to stay on the website right now since I'm logged in, but you will not see those. That's pretty much it for the website. Hopefully that gave you a few tips and shows you all of the necessary tools that you'll need this semester to be successful. If you have any questions at all about any assignment, please go to the corresponding week for that assignment first. Read through all of the materials and all of the instructions before you ask me any questions, because most likely your answer will be listed somewhere within that corresponding week's information.